Since COVID, trading has become more popular, with more people wanting to learn how to start making money passively. From what we see on social media and in ads, trading might look easy, but the truth is it requires knowledge, commitment, and hard work. I'm here today to introduce you to trading, and we will start together as beginners who want to learn. We will take this journey step by step and learn how to start trading and gradually make money until we master it. Let's dive in. What is trading? At its core, trading is simply the act of buying and selling. Any transaction involves three essential elements. The trader, this includes both the buyer and the seller. The asset, the product or security being bought and sold. The price, the agreed upon value between the buyer and seller. In the past, physical markets limited what traders could buy and sell. However, with the rise of the internet, trading has evolved into a global activity. Today, traders have access to a variety of assets from anywhere in the world. There are four main types of financial instruments that traders buy and sell. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Public companies issue shares that are traded on stock exchanges. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of the company. Major corporations like Apple, Google, and Amazon are examples of publicly traded companies. Currencies. Currencies are divided into two categories. Forex, foreign exchange. This market includes major global currencies like the US dollar, euro, the British pound, and Japanese yen. Cryptocurrencies. Digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have gained popularity in recent years. Commodities. These include tangible goods like gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products. Derivatives. These are financial contracts such as futures and options that derive their value from underlying assets. They allow traders to speculate on future prices or hedge against market risks. Each asset class has its own unique characteristics, and traders often focus on one or two markets to build expertise. Why is trading popular? Potential for profit. Many traders are drawn to the financial markets because of the opportunity to earn money from price movements. Accessibility. With modern technology, anyone with an internet connection can start trading from anywhere in the world. Flexibility. Unlike traditional jobs, trading allows people to set their own schedules and trade part-time or full-time. Multiple markets. There are various types of trading markets, including stocks, forex, crypto, and commodities, giving traders multiple options to explore types of trading. Traders operate based on different time frames and strategies. The main types of trading include day trading, buying and selling assets within a single day, capitalizing on short-term price fluctuations. Swing trading, holding positions for several days or weeks to capture medium-term trends. Position trading, investing in assets for months or years based on long-term market trends. Scalping, making multiple small trades in a day to profit from minor price changes. Just like in sports, where athletes specialize in one game, traders often focus on one style to master it. How do traders make money? Traders profit by buying low and selling high, or by short selling assets and benefiting from price declines. The key to success in trading lies in understanding market dynamics, implementing sound strategies, and managing risk effectively. The role of supply and demand in price cannot be ignored. The price of any asset is determined by supply and demand. For example, if a rare product is in high demand but has limited supply, its price will increase. Conversely, if an asset is widely available but few buyers are interested, its price will decrease. This fundamental economic principle applies to all financial markets. While trading can be highly rewarding, it also comes with risks. Market volatility. Prices can change rapidly, leading to potential losses. Emotional trading. Fear and greed can drive irrational decisions. Lack of knowledge. Without proper education and practice, traders may make costly mistakes. Successful traders learn to manage risks, stay disciplined, and continuously improve their strategies. Final thoughts for you. Trading is an exciting journey, but it requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. In this course, we will break down everything step by step, making trading simple and understandable for beginners. In the next video, we will discuss the most important thing in trading, the psychology of trading. Until then, stay tuned and let's begin this journey together. Please subscribe, like, and spread the channel, and stay tuned for our trading series. See you there.